This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable plates, specifically these bamboo plates. They're available in a variety of sizes, and we have a few here. The medium round is 6 inches in diameter. There's also a larger 9-inch round. The medium square, which is also 6 inches across. And the rectangle, which is 8 by 5.5. They're made of sustainable bamboo, and they are compostable and biodegradable, making them a stylish, eco-friendly option. The bamboo is sturdy as well, and they won't get soggy, making them a fantastic disposable option. They have the natural grain and color pattern from that bamboo, giving each one a unique look and a nice, soft, warm feel, making them a versatile option that will work for a variety of events. The nice selection of sizes and shapes allows you to suit many needs and allows them to work for a variety of functions and environments. They're lightweight and easy to store, and they're perfect for caterers, food trucks, bakeries and cafes, or anyone looking for an eco-friendly disposable plate option.